Elmo. Hello. Hi, Elmo.
Well, I guess we should go. Elmo.
Elmo.
Come here. Hello. Yeah, come here. Come here. Elmo.
Hello, Elmo. It's okay.
Oh, come here. Come here. Want to take a picture? Come here. There you go.
What are those sounds?
Good. Okay. Get up there. You okay?
You got food in his mouth, or?
No, that's just an air pocket. It's a weakness in the muscle. Right, Elmo? Yeah. Oh, don't cry. I gotta go put the bird back. Okay? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
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 Hola.
Zili Gurtibalak. Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Hi.
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 Long enough.
Go like this.
Hello.
Hello.
Hola.
Hello.
Hola.
Hi.
Hola. Malaga.
Oh, there you go.
Drabikis.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Yeah, baby. There you go. Yeah.
Elmo.
Yeah, you okay?
Elmo.
Oh, Elmo, stop crying. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay.
Look at those four.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
Yeah.
Guess who's
There you go. Okay, do you want some loving too? Ah. No, no cracker. And you've had too many peanuts. Open the door, please. Close the door, please. Open the door. Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Open the door. Come on. Open it. Come on out. Come on, let go. Oh, you're so bad. You're just so bad. Yeah. You're so bad. Hello.
Hi. Is one is the side swollen or like?
It's an air pocket,
Okay.
and it's in the muscle. So they've taken it down, but what happens? It just comes back up again. So they just leave it. Doesn't hurt them. Yeah. Yeah. Can you get up?
Yeah. Do you want to say hello, Elmo?
Yeah. Say hello, Elmo. Oh, he's not sure of that.
Are you camera shy? Is he?
He doesn't know what it is. It's probably Seymour. Yeah? Yeah? Step up.
Hello, my friend.
Guess who's there? Say hello. Say hi, Alex. Yeah? You're not a chicken. Hey.
Did you see the puzzled look?
Yeah? Are you a chicken?
You're not a chicken.
Kitty, kitty. Meow.
Look at those eyes.
Purr. Purr. You purr? Purr. Yeah? Yeah? Cuckoo. You're cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs? Yeah? Yeah? Can I give you a peanut? I'm supposed to be watching the hockey game. Yeah. Don't you put a hole in that, or I'll pound you. No, you don't. Can you say bye-bye?
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you're so funny. Yeah? Cuckoo. Yeah, you're cuckoo. Can you say bye now?
Bye-bye.
Hello.
What does this mean? What does this mean? Say bye-bye. What? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, say bye. Bye. Come on, say bye-bye. Good conversation. Say bye. Ba-ba-boo. Ba-ba-boo. Yeah.
I love the puzzled looks.
Wow. 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 Hi. 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 Oh, you're so funny. Say bye.
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 Okay, bye-bye.